Whatnot offers a sales match bonus up to $150 for new sellers, but it's actually really important to understand how this works so you don't miss out on it. This is not just like a flat $150 that they're going to hand you. It's a dollar for dollar match based on what you sell. So if you go live and you sell $40 worth of cards, Whatnot's going to match that for $40. If you sell 100, you get 100. And if you want the full 150, you need to at least hit 150. So if you hit 200, you're not going to get more than that 150. You're just going to get that $150 from them, but you still make that 200 on top of that. This is the key part that a lot of people misunderstand. It's not free money, but it is a bonus on top of what you're already doing. So if you're going to start selling anyways, you might as well take advantage of this and go ahead and do it. This is why you need to start auctions at $1. Make sure people are engaged, letting the market kind of do its thing, whether you're selling cards or whatever you might be selling. Don't need crazy expensive things. You just need to move inventory. The second part to this is it's not just important for, of course, the $150. You have a time limit. It is timed. You only have 7 days to qualify for this bonus, and the timer starts as soon as your account is created. So if you create that today, and feel free to use my seller code in the links in the description of my videos or on my YouTube channel. You can also start inviting sellers as well, and you can benefit from that as well. And I appreciate all of you that do so. Now, once you hit those key requirements, you can start your show, and you honestly need to do it probably day one is the best kind of way to do it, is how I did it anyways, and I hit the full 150, and I think it took me about 4 days to do it. But if you don't already have an account, again, go ahead and make one. You can hit my seller account code, and you can also start using one too. The biggest mistake, though, I see a lot of people is waiting too long, overthinking it, or trying to be perfect when they go live. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. So definitely start right away, especially as soon as you make that account. It's just a good advantage to take, especially with again, it's $150. They're going to match. Check out this video on the right corner if you want to learn which cards sell the best. Now, finally, you do have to meet a couple more requirements to actually qualify. You need at least 2 hours of total stream time, and you need to sell to at least 5 unique buyers, 5 different buyers. That doesn't mean 5 sales to the same person. It actually means 5 different people literally from your stream to have to buy from you. The 2 hours doesn't have to be all in one stream either. You can split it up. I did one stream for like 50 minutes, another one for 30, and another one for 30. And then I think I did a last one for like 15 or 20 minutes. So I got my 2 hours in like that. Once you have 5 different people purchasing from you, you've cleared one of the biggest hurdles. And then after that, it's really just all about building that kind of momentum to that $150 mark, because the 2 hour stream is really not that hard to hit, honestly. So when you pull all this together, it's actually pretty straightforward. Whatnot will match your sales up to $150, but you need to sell within your first 7 days. If you hit those requirements and you reach $150 in sales, you will unlock the full bonus. And if you're already planning to sell on Whatnot, there's no reason not to take advantage of this, because it's literally extra money on top of what you're already doing. So go out there, start selling, create your account, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.